Good morning, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. It's a beautiful spring morning, and we're doing a cattle drive. We sorted off all the cows that had calved and left them at docks. So there was 60, I think 61 plus 3, there's 64 pair there. And then this morning we went to get set up for the cattle drive, and we went down there and we had 3 more new ones this morning, and then we had 1 last night. So we ended up with oh, there goes a fox. That's cool. There he went over the hill. He's got a den. Oh, there's Blaze. He's trying to lead Blaze off. Come on, girls, let's go. Woo! They think I'm gonna keep going. This is kind of a new drive for them. We don't go in this gate very often, but we did last time. It worked so darn good. Woo! Yeah, we'll lead him in here. Come on. Woo! Yeah. There they come. Our lead cow, 160, is not with us this morning. She was one that calved. Went up there this morning. She had a nice, beautiful calf all licked off. And so she's gonna stay behind on the other farm with the ones that's calved. So I can't take credit for this new move we've done or this new management. It's all Isaac and Ike and David came up with it. So these are all cows that haven't calved. I think there's 130 in here. Oh, don't run through that. This is our old ram pen where we catch the rams. That's what those cattle panels are. This is a silvopasture area that we used to run the rams in before we got our ram farm, and now we don't use it anymore for that. We just run cattle in here, but I don't know, we may put the rams in here for a little while. Boy, they work on this brush, and you can tell they haven't been in here last year. The brush came in. But this is a section there we haven't done anything with. It doesn't look like this anymore. This is what you're looking at there is what that looked like. Oh, it's probably been 5 years now, 5 to 6 years ago. And we've come in here and unrolled hay. You can still see some of the old hay up there in the wintertime. And we've got some really nice forage coming in here. The same thing was done over here. We left a few more trees. There's actually probably about half of those could come out. And they're big enough we could mill those. Those white oak trees. And there they go, up over the hill. Got Jan and Brenda. They're up there at the end of this road blocking. And the young men are Isaac and Ike and David are bringing up the rear. It's funny how excited they get when they move. This is Thursday morning, and we could have a trash truck come through here. We normally don't try and go on Thursdays, but it just happened that we needed to go, and so we went. So far, he hasn't been through. Those trash trucks are loud. They got a great big old diesel engine, and of course the people that are running them, they're city people. They don't understand country ways too much. But I think I hear something following the cattle drive. It might be that trash truck. I know we missed the school bus. It came by earlier. Woo! Yeah! There's a cow climbed up on that bank. Gosh, this is a beautiful morning. So nice to have green grass, and winter is behind us now. Woo! Yeah! That cow got up on that bank. He's like, how do you get in that gate? There you go, honey. You found it. Yeah, so those Fortis in the last 12 hours puts us up to 68. Those bulls, when we turned them in July, last July 1st, they didn't waste any time. I mean, they got these cows bred. So we went to docks. We were looking at the calendar or grazing chart, and we were on docks for 17 days. And we went on the docks, so we had, I believe it was 3 calves. And we left docks, we've got 68 in 17 days. So, yeah, they really got with it. I like that. I like a tight calving season. So you can get it all done in, 17 to 30 days. Sign me up for that. Our sheep will be starting lambing here, I would say, within the next 2 or 3 days. We've got them kind of where we want them located. And I'm going to do a video on that. I've had several requests, people asking us how we approach lambing season and how do we manage the ewes during lambing season. So that's going to be a video that's going to be coming up. Whatever it is following them, it's still on that road. I'm gonna go back out here so I can get my ribbon untied. Oh, it's the mule. I thought it was it's part of our group. Yep. Yeah, folks, here she is. Oh, Grandma. She'll be 22 years old this year, and that's her calf from last year. She went through the winter pretty darn good for a 22-year-old cow. And we didn't wean the calf off. She took the calf through the winter, and I don't know how many years that is in human years. What is, for every cow year, I think that's equal to 7 years, something like that. I don't know if that's right. She's 100 and she's 140 years old. That can't be right. Look at those boogers. I mean, they are happy, kicking up their heels. Yeah, that humming sound I heard, that was our Kawasaki mule following the cattle drive. They turned in up there at the driveway. I think that's about it. I saw the young men coming up the road here. Oh, look, there's got to be one straggler back here. Doesn't take as long when you've only got 130 of them versus 260. Yep, there's the stragglers. Looks like they're all doing good. There's Brenda and Jan up there. Look like a couple of little turkeys looking over the ridge. You can see their heads bobbing up there. They're just not quite used to coming this way. They're always used to going the other way. Boy, there's a cow that's close. Man, I bet she has a calf today. We brought a bunch of yearling heifers with them. These would be heifers from last year. Well, there's a bunch of them floppy right there. They're gonna be calving any minute. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here and shut this thing down. And folks, everyone have a good day, and we'll see you down the road. And don't forget, please hit that subscribe button and that like button on the way out if you would. And y'all have a great day.